Fixing my American Standard 4000 toilet bowl again. I took the housing out. I replaced the O-rings as they were all dry rotted. This is my second housing. The first one was covered under warranty. But the second one here also developed a crack. So I'm going to go and try to repair it with this solder iron. I'm going to melt the plastic using the solder iron gently. Now here I am. I took a top of a water bottle I cut, and I'm trying to push it onto the housing neck, which I got on there, but using that hot air gun really did some damage. Instead, use a soldering iron. Get it nice and hot and melt it right onto the housing neck. Doesn't look very good, but it's okay. It works. It's much stronger now. I'm going to wrap it with some Teflon tape. Wrap that ugly melting job, and also give it a little more strength. Time to put it back. It's all installed now, and now we're going to check it out and see if it works. Success.